Hey, welcome to the Insurance Center of Central Florida. We're located here at 3760 West O'Galley Boulevard in beautiful Melbourne, Florida, but we service the entire state. Let me go ahead and introduce you to some people, and I'll show you around the office. This is Jesse, the receptionist extraordinaire. She'll get you where you need to go, whether you're calling in or coming in. Let me go ahead and show you around. All right, let me introduce you to Chris. Chris has been with the Insurance Center for 8 years now. She's our quality control manager, and she's also in charge of our commercial renewals. That means if you're a small business owner, then Chris is the person to make sure that your renewal notification goes out on time. Thanks, Chris. Next up is Barb. She's the newest addition to our sales force. She's been with the Insurance Center for just over 6 months, and she's got over 10 years in the Florida insurance industry.
Hi, I'm Barb. I've lived in Brevard County since 1985. I love being in the insurance business, and I'd love to help you.
Here at the Insurance Center of Central Florida, our #1 priority is customer service. And we'd love to help you, no matter what your insurance needs are. Let me introduce you to Angie. Angie's been with the Insurance Center of Central Florida for over 5 years, and she's one of our customer service superstars.
Hi, I'm Angie. Home, auto, boat, flood, whatever your insurance needs, we're here to help.
Due to our business's size and longevity, we've got access to products that our competitors can only dream about. Whether you're looking for personal lines like home or auto, or you're looking at commercial lines for your business liabilities, the Insurance Center of Central Florida has the experience to find the right company with the right coverage for you. Now let me introduce you to Tammy.
Hi, my name is Tammy, and I can show you how to save lots of money on your motorcycle insurance. And with my 8 years of real estate experience, I can help with your homeowner's policy as well.
Here at the Insurance Center of Central Florida, we represent the top-rated insurance carriers across the state. While we're all about saving you money and finding the best value, our company was built on customer service, and we're here for you. We understand that the insurance industry is complex, and a lot of people are nervous about asking us questions, but that's what we're here for. We're here to help you to make the right decision with the right company and the right coverage. I just want to introduce you real fast to Mike and Susan, 2 customer service gurus. All right, now I want to introduce you to the president and founder of the Insurance Center of Central Florida.
Hi, I'm Frank Hanrahan, president and founder of the Insurance Center since 1991. Rather than me tell you about the Insurance Center, I'm going to have our clients tell you what their experience was.
I've been using Insurance Center since about 1997, about 13 years now.
I actually followed Barbara there when she changed from the automobile club because I finally found an agent that could explain insurance to me. I don't speak insurance.
My wife and I have been with the Insurance Center for over 10 years now, and they handle both of our cars and our home insurance.
I use Angie's the person I use there at the office, impeccable service. She does the insurance for all of my rental houses. I have 25 rental houses, and she takes care of all of them.
We have a little trash trailer. We haul stuff to the dump. I've got a pickup truck. We have a van. We have a motorhome. We have a travel trailer. We have our house insurance, our flood insurance, and all with Barbara.
And we were flooded, and it went very well. Barbara was very helpful in telling me how to get started, and it was a good experience. Not the flood, but the insurance part was.
In 2004, when all the hurricanes came through, we had some damage to our house, and being built in the 1800s, of course, you're going to get a little bit of damage. And so we called the Insurance Center, and they signed us right up with a way to make the claim. Made it very, very easy. And Frank over at the Insurance Center was absolutely perfect. He was welcoming. He made us feel right at home and not feel guilty about having to make that claim.
I own a lot of rental houses, so back in the hurricanes, I had a lot of claims on a lot of my rental houses, and they all were through the Insurance Center.
And so when the hurricanes came through, it was just easy as pie.
One phone call, the agent at that time, I don't believe it was Angie at the time, but took care of everything for me. It was very simple. Got the adjusters out there, got checks, and got it taken care of. It was flawless.
Over at the Insurance Center, they always make sure that everything is relaxing. They take care of everything for you.
I have had a wreck with my truck, and it was just handled just super. I called her up, said what happened. She told me what to do.
And they're all very friendly and very, very knowledgeable, which is what you really want in an insurance center.
In fact, 2 people have run into me. Never my fault, but it still happens, and she's just both times is just taking just hold of the situation, made sure everything was just right.
Yes, what they did is when they worked with the insurance company, they were they took care of all the claims, they took care of all the things that we needed to make it much more relaxing, especially during that stressful time. So they took care of all the claims and made it just simple.
Usually when a new policy comes, there are some changes, as always, and so lots of times we'll call Barbara up and say, why did they do this and what's this? And she's, well, let's cut this out or let's add this, and she just leads us right through it, and so that we get the kind of coverage that we need. So there's no surprises when something happens.
I would recommend the Insurance Center of Florida to anyone.
Yeah, I've done a lot of business. I sell a lot of houses, deal with a lot of clients, and I refer all my clients to Insurance Center. It's always a good experience. And I've dealt with a lot of the insurance companies, around town for years, and I would use nobody else.
Yes, I would recommend Insurance Center of Central Florida to anyone that asked me, and I'd even recommend to people that didn't ask me.
But I'm glad we have Insurance Center.
One thing I would like to tell you before I go, everybody buys insurance just in case something happens. We want to let you know that we've been here since 1991. We've been through several hurricanes. We have the technical and financial resources to be there if something happens. Everything we do is backed up every 30 minutes, and it's available online. So in the event of a disaster, we can be here to help you.
Thanks for taking the time to stop by and get to know us a little bit, guys. We really appreciate it. We'd love the opportunity to get to know you, so feel free to give us a ring anytime.